everyone, this is Erum name for Altenew. Welcome to Creative Coloring with Erum. Today I am using the gorgeous painted flower Calla lily stamp set on my card. I will be using the Obsidian ink to stamp the image onto 4.25 by 5.5 watercolor cardstock by Altenew. Then I'll use the crystal clear embossing powder to heat emboss it. I'll be using ruby red and moss watercolor brush markers along with the artist watercolors to color the image today. I'm going to color the flowers in 3 tones today: red, yellow and green. I'll start with the red one from the ruby red watercolor brush marker and then add warm sunshine pigment. I'll mix it a bit with the red for smooth transition. Then I'll add tropical forest, which is green, and I'll mix this with the yellow. You have to be a little careful when you're mixing these colors. This is why I'm using yellow in between, because the red and the green will mix and make brown. Though I did use it in some places, the red and the green, to make brown, but that was on the leaves. I'll repeat the same for a couple of flowers, but in some flowers I'll change it up. The red, yellow and green combination, that is. But first let's look at one of the leaves. I'll add a bit of warm sunshine to the leaf, not all the leaves though, just a couple for variation, that is. Then I'll add a darker pigment to show shadow, including a bit of rock collection, which is a dark gray blackish kind of color. The other color of a flower that I'll be adding will be along the same lines but less red. I'll just add a hint of red to it. And this I did for variation, because I did not want all the flowers to look the same. In nature everything is not exactly the same, so I wanted for a change to be close to realism. I'll leave you with some music. Enjoy the coloring. I decided to keep the card simple, so I am just adding some black paint splatters using the Rock Collection pigment and then stamp the sentiment, and my card is ready. I hope you liked it. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.
Hello there, did that video just spark your creativity? And do you want more project ideas and inspiration videos too? Well, if you do, please make sure that you subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much for watching, bye bye.